something. And so this man called and he goes, well, I have an original program. We already had one, but he was wondering what the value was. And I said, can you send me some photos? So he sent us photos and he goes, oh, I forgot to tell you, there are ticket stubs to the premiere taped in the program. There they are for December 20th, Globe Theater. It was a benefit for the Boys Club of New York, excuse me. And so there they are. And who would have known, right? It's very cool to have them. And then these are call sheets that we have in different places that told people where they had to be at different times. And these are special because they have doodles on them by Jack Okey, who was art director. Art director. And we use them in our exhibits. We use them in our logo. We use them all over. So you'll see them everywhere, you know. So we always use Jack Okey. Remember him and use his doodles for our autograph things, recollections from the actors and things like that. But we also are promoting the message of anti-bullying, suicide prevention, and the promotion of the value of each person. Because Frank Capra talked about that, you know, the value and equal importance of each person. So we'll get school kids in here. We've got third graders. And this great statement by Capra, never again will there be anyone like you. It's a great statement.